TC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very latest fresher recruitment updates and internship updates. We'll be seeing the recruitment updates from different platforms or companies like Flipkart, Wipro, Philips, Deloitte, Google, Yahoo, Amazon. From all these companies, we'll be seeing recruitment updates one by one. So if you are interested, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. The first recruitment update we are going to see is from Flipkart. So they are recruiting for executive post and the location is Bengaluru. 0 to 1 year of experience they are asking for. So this is a BPO kind of job itself, and they are asking for an educational background, any graduation. Key skills also they have given here. So if you are any graduate, you can apply for this. 0 to 1 year of experience is a requirement. Okay. So if you're interested, you can definitely apply. The second recruitment is from Wipro. We'll be seeing two recruitment updates from Wipro. The first one, or the first post is for production specialist Hyderabad. So the basic requirement is you should be a fresher and all the graduates are eligible to apply. Only fresher and graduates are eligible to apply. Basic written and verbal communication skills, basic communication skill with a proactive and positive approach to tasks. So basic things only they are asking for, your behavioral skills and communication skills. That is only requirement. Okay. So other than that, if you are any graduate from any background with any year of pass out, you can apply. Okay. So the age limit doesn't matter and the year of pass out also doesn't matter. Okay. The next one is for the post of process associate, again from Wipro itself. Location is Kolkata. Here, this is a customer service job and it requires experience of 6 months and above is desirable. Okay. So worked in service industry, experience in call center will be an advantage. They have given the salary details also. 1,70,000 will be the basic starting pay scale. Okay. So the skills also they have asked is behavioral skills, interpersonal influence management skills. So if you are having these skills with minimum 6 months of experience, you can definitely apply. Okay. The next one is a recruitment update from Google. Okay, so Google is hiring for software engineer university graduate. So this is an exclusive opportunity for all the freshly graduated candidates. So they are hiring for bachelor degree and equivalent practical experience. So if you are a graduate from any background, you can apply here. So they have not asked for any streams of education specifically. So any streams of education with a minimum bachelor degree can apply here. Okay. The locations are Bengaluru and Hyderabad. There is actually two locations for which they are conducting this recruitment. Okay. So other than that, they have asked for some basic skills like experience in C, C++, Java, Python programming. Also, you should be having basic networking and operating system knowledge. Okay. Master degree, if you're having a master degree, then that is an added advantage. Otherwise, also you can apply. Okay. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this post. Again, year of pass out doesn't matters. All the freshers can apply. Okay. The next one is a recruitment update from Philips, again a consumer electronics company. So here they are hiring for the post of software engineer. Bangalore is a location. Very latest update only posted 2 days ago. You can see the date of posting also. Okay. So again, they have not asked for any specific branch or stream of education. Only basic things they are asking, that is coding skills, debugging skills. Also 0 to 2 years of experience. Okay, if you are having up to 2 years of experience, you can apply. Again, freshers are also eligible. That is 0 to 2 years of experience with basic coding skills. Okay, so all the computer science, IT branches and circuitral branches like ECEEI are eligible to apply. Also BSc candidates, MCA candidates can definitely try here. Okay, the next one is a recruitment update from Deloitte. So Deloitte is hiring for the post of fresher business operation cloud engineering. Let's have a look on what is the eligibility criteria. The courses that are eligible for this post are BTech, MTech or ME/MTech is eligible. You should be having minimum 75% of mark in 10th and 12th. Should have minimum 70% in graduation, post-graduation. Preferred streams of education are IT, computer science, electronics or equivalent. So all the electronics related branches like circuital branches, EI, EEE, EC, all these branches are eligible. Also, ETC, that is electronics and telecommunication, is eligible. Computer science also eligible, and IT. So this is a hiring for cloud engineering related job. Cloud is actually having a lot of demand nowadays. So if you get to work with this area or in this stream, you will definitely improve or grow in your career. That is a sure thing. Okay. Location is Delhi. Currently, all these jobs will be work from home. We know current situation of India. So all these IT jobs and software jobs are work from home only. Okay. So the next recruitment update is from Yahoo. So this job they have posted 4 days ago. So the location of job is Bengaluru, currently work from home only. Educational qualification is actively pursuing bachelor degree in engineering or MCA or similar disciplines like MSc or BSc or that streams of education are eligible here. Associate software developer engineer is the post name. Okay. So please to apply if you are interested. The next recruitment update is from Canonical. They are hiring for graduate software engineer Linux based development. Okay, so this is a Linux based development, that is the area of job. The location is Delhi. Let's have a look on what is the eligibility here. So they have not asked for any again educational backgrounds. Nowadays mostly companies are asking for skills rather than an educational background or a specific graduation or a specific degree. So if you are having the skills, that is the most important thing, rather than having a graduation, or if you are in the final year of your studies, or if you are from a different stream of education, doesn't matter. If you are having the skills, you will get the job. Just you have to crack the test. Okay, so that is the only thing. So again, they have not asked for any specific educational degrees or qualifications. You should be having basic knowledge in C++, Bash, HTML, JS, CSS, also Python knowledge. Okay. So if you're having these basic coding skills, if you're having, you can definitely apply here. Year of graduation doesn't matters. Okay. So just fill up this application form and you can apply here. The next one is So the next recruitment update is from Comscope. So here they are hiring for engineer intern post R&D. Okay, so the location is Bengaluru is a location. So they have asked for graduate or college freshers position. Okay, so any graduate is eligible to apply here. They have not asked for any streams of education. So in this video, we have seen a lot of any graduate jobs. Means they have not asked for any streams of education, any specific degree or anything. So many companies are there which is only asking for skills. Here also engineer intern is the post, and they are not asking any specific degrees. Okay. So if you're interested, you can definitely apply here. Just click on this apply now icon. So the last recruitment update which we are going to see is from Amazon. Amazon is hiring for recruiter intern. Again, no specific streams or eligibility criteria here. So you'll be working with the recruiting or recruitment team actually, and you'll be working as an intern. Okay. So any graduate is eligible to apply here. If you are interested, you can click on this apply icon. The location is Hyderabad and the domain is human resources. Okay. So just click on this apply now icon and you can apply for this post. So that's all for today's video. We have seen a lot of recruitment updates, any graduate updates, a lot of updates are there which is asking for any graduate qualification, freshers. Mostly all the updates is for freshers only. Some is asking for minimum 6 months of experience. So if you are having that, you can apply for that post also. Okay. So please do check out the links which I'll be putting in description. And if you are any graduate fresher or if you are in the final year of your studies, you can definitely apply for these job roles. And if you are eligible, you will be definitely getting a call back or a reply mail. Okay. So that's all for today's video. If you found the content useful, please like the video, share the video with your friends also, and tell them to subscribe. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.